Welcome to Fasting Fact number 14. Today's topic is about the benefits of fasting for increasing energy levels. To begin, the first question that needs to be asked is, are you under a lot of stress? If you are, you need to address those causes first, because it's not recommended you take on fasting at this time. The reason is fasting is stressful to the body, and if you are already under a lot of stress and then you take on the additional burden of the stress of fasting, you will overstress your body, which is never good. Now, with that out of the way, the next question is, are there any medical reasons for your low energy levels? Like, are there any medications that have side effects? Um, do you have any underlying health conditions? Again, you need to address this with your primary doctor. Now, with those two questions off the table, now we can talk about fasting. For first timers or beginning fasters, a form of what I call intermittent fasting, time restricted fasting, is beneficial for increasing your energy levels. A minimum schedule should be a 16-8, 16 hours of fasting within an 8-hour window. We know from research this is the minimum amount of fasting you should do to get the benefits of a process called autophagy. What autophagy is I look on autophagy as a janitorial service of the body. What autophagy does, it will go in and seek out cells that are called senescent. Senescent cells are neither living or dead. They've just kind of ceased functioning and are just there, taking up space. And what's even worse is that they start emitting what are called inflammatory cytokines, which cause inflammation in the body. And we know inflammation is never good. So what autophagy does, it will then target these senescent cells, I like to call them zombie cells, and rejuvenate them, making them healthy again. And will also, through this process, identify those cells which are too far gone to save, and trigger a process called apoptosis, which is called programmed cell death, causing the cell to die and therefore to be cleared out by the body. Another way of looking at it is think of autophagy as taking in your car in to get a tune-up. And that is one way I look at autophagy. So again, you can do a time-restricted fast, minimum of 16-8. The more hours of fasting that you can do within that day, the better off you are, because you'll get more benefits out of autophagy. For myself, early in my fasting lifestyle, when I was doing OMAD, one meal a day, I was really getting really good benefits of rising energy levels. So this answers this question.